If you think you have tasted the egusi soup before, wait until you try this rich version with bitterleaf and waterleaf combo. This delicious soup is one of the most loved Nigerian delicacies. This is one of my favorite versions, and trust me, you're going to love it. If you enjoy Nigerian food, please watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe and join our food family. Now let's get cooking. Let's check out the ingredients. Our cleaned water leaf, and then goat meat that is already fried. We have our smoked catfish, stockfish. You're using periwinkle. You can see that this recipe is unique. Some pepper, cow skin, bitter leaf that has been washed, and then grinded melon. While cooking, we will reveal more ingredients. Now, prepare the meat and stock. Today, we are using goat meat and smoked catfish. If you're using meat, firstly, season with salt, seasoning cubes, onions and pepper. Stir everything together. Also tell me in the comments, what do you love eating your egusi soup with? I would love to know. If you love this recipe, you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural air growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So check the description box below and grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. See you in my next video.